Alteryx Intelligence Suite does not exist as a standalone product. However, Alteryx offers a range of products and solutions aimed at enhancing data analytics and automation capabilities. Here's an approach on how you might install and utilize Alteryx tools for advanced analytics. Acquire Alteryx Designer. Start by downloading and installing Alteryx Designer, the core platform for data preparation and workflow automation. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements specified by Alteryx. Explore additional tools. Alteryx offers additional tools and add-ons such as Alteryx Server, Alteryx Connect for data cataloging, and Alteryx Promote for model deployment. Determine which tools are relevant to your analytics needs. Download and install. Obtain the installers for the desired Alteryx tools from the Alteryx website or your Alteryx account. Follow the installation instructions provided in the respective documentation. License activation. Activate your licenses through the Alteryx license server or the respective tools' administrative consoles. Integration and setup. Configure connections to data sources, set up workflows in Alteryx Designer, and integrate with other Alteryx tools as needed. Training and support. Take advantage of Alteryx training resources and support to maximize your understanding and utilization of the Alteryx Intelligence Suite components.